I wouldn't say I have any message. I guess as an artist, what I do is I try to materialize things that I would like to see. I felt inclined towards using light as a medium. For me, it's a natural choice to be working with a material that it's so easy to transform, to change. There's some qualities that you cannot get with any other physical material. When you work with light, suddenly you enter into a different time frame. It feels like light, in a way, it's a more natural medium to the digital world, in the sense that it feels closer to information. No? It feels closer to managing actually information rather than managing matter. For me, there's no differentiation of what is science, what is art, what is humanities. The most interesting things happen actually when you don't make these artificial divisions. The most difficult is to find something that is so simple and so clear that you wonder how it's possible that no one has thought about this before. I like this idea that the piece is actually very accessible. The ideal experience of an artwork is something that actually works more as a mirror, where you use that artwork to project yourself and actually ask yourself questions, or that raise at least questions that hopefully change the way you look at things. If you manage to create something that has its own life, that's the richest thing I can do. So that's my ideal outcome.